In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page color in OneNote. Customizing the appearance of your notes can make a big difference in how you organize information and stay focused while working. One simple yet effective way to personalize your notebook is by changing the page color. This not only makes your notes visually appealing, but it can also help you separate topics, highlight important sections, or simply reduce eye strain during long study or work sessions. To get started, open your OneNote notebook and navigate to the page you want to modify. Make sure the page is active and ready for editing. Once you're on the correct page, look toward the top of the application where the menu tabs are located. From there, click on the View tab. This section contains several options related to how your notes are displayed. After selecting the View tab, locate the option labeled Page Color. Clicking on this will open a palette of available colors that you can apply to your current page. You can now choose any color from the list that best suits your preference. As you hover over or select a color, you'll immediately see the change applied to your page, allowing you to preview how it looks in real time. This makes it easy to experiment and find the color that works best for your needs. If the default color options feel a bit limited, you also have the ability to explore additional shades. Simply click on the option for more colors and you'll be presented with a wider range of tones, including deeper and more customized selections. This is especially useful if you're trying to match a specific theme or create a consistent look across multiple pages. At any point, if you decide that you want to return to the original appearance, you can easily reset the page by selecting the No Fill option. This will remove any applied color and bring the page back to its default white background. Changing page colors is a quick adjustment, but it can greatly enhance your overall note-taking experience. It helps you stay organized, adds a personal touch to your workspace, and makes your notes easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.